Home Remedies presents Homemade Cooling Drink to Improve Digestion, Metabolism. As you all know, the month of April has arrived, and you can say that sunny days are here again. But on the other hand, we are facing a worldwide crisis. The drink I will share with you today is very easy to make, and it has numerous benefits, from boosting digestion, metabolism, and staying hydrated to treating anemia naturally and weight loss. This is a solution which is used for so many things. So guys, enjoy this multi-purpose solution and do share your experiences with me. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Let's see how to make it. Ingredients: cumin seeds 30 grams, water 750 ml, black salt to taste, lemon to taste. Method: lightly toast the cumin seeds in a pan. Now add water and let it boil for 20 minutes on low to medium heat. Remove and let it cool. Once cool, grind to a smooth drink. The yield will be 50%, that is 350 ml. You can store it in the refrigerator and use it accordingly. You can drink it once a day, half an hour before or after food. How to drink: pour 40 ml of cumin water in a glass, add lemon and black salt and stir and serve, topped up with normal temperature water. You can use chilled water as well, but Ayurveda will recommend normal water. You can use honey or jaggery as well. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.